Okay, what's going on, everybody? Today I'm quite excited for this product because it just came, you know, I pulled off my address, so I'm not showing you anything, but that's the box. I throw away because we don't need it for now. But this is what came, as I promised. You know, I tweeted out that I've ordered a new pair of RAM for, especially for streaming. It's gonna be 16 gigabytes now. So let's open it, let's install it, let's see how it goes, guys. And I'm pretty excited to stream today because we're gonna have 16 gigabytes, and I want to see how the H1Z1 performs in 16 gigabytes, not just 8, 16. Because I've been reading lots of, I've been going on Reddit and lots of forums, and they basically saying if you have money for it, I would suggest you going for 16 gigabytes, and you know, you won't be disappointed. So for that installing everything, we have a sticker as well, 2 RAM sticks, obviously a sticker. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this. I'm probably gonna leave it in here. But before I start installing it, I just want to say thank you to Ivan and everybody else for donating in the past streams. I wouldn't be able to buy this if not you guys just been donating, and just because I bought this, I'm going to be streaming for you more, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So let's bring it on, you know, let's go down and install the RAM, and then we'll see how it goes. So let me just do my outro for my 8 gig. Let me just show you before, okay? Let me just show you where is this 8 gigabytes made. That's 8 gigabytes, as you can see, right? Okay, 8 gigabytes. Goodbye. Goodbye, dude. Goodbye. Love you. Okay, shut down now. Shut down. So let's go, guys. Let's bring it down.